Lesson 45. In this lesson, we encounter the word scapha. Technically speaking, in classical pronunciation, you're supposed to pronounce the P here as a hard P. So this word is supposed to sound like scapha. However, I never got used to pronouncing it quite like that. Whenever I see a PH in Latin, I always pronounce it like F, like the letter F. So my pronunciation of scapha technically is wrong, but I'm still going to pronounce it that way anyway. In ecclesiastical pronunciation, you would pronounce the PH like the letter F. So in ecclesiastical pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of this word is scapha. But I'm going to pronounce it that way in classical pronunciation anyway, even though you're not supposed to. So let's look at our exercises. In exercise 1, amat is the verb. We don't need the he, she, or it because nauta is the subject and skaphos is the direct object. So number 1 says, the sailor loves boats. In number 2, amas is the verb. That means you like or you love. And skaphos, again, is the direct object. Probably love is the best translation for amas here, so we'll say, you love boats. In number 3, spectat is the verb. We don't need the he, she, or it because puella is the subject. And there are 2 direct objects, skaphos and nautos, and they're being connected by the word et, being used twice to mean both and. So number 3 will say, the girl is watching both the boats and the sailors. In number 4, the verb is numerant, but we don't need the word they that's included in numerant because nautai is the subject. Skaphos is the direct object, and saipe is the adverb. So number 4 says, the sailors often count the boats. In number 5, numeratus means y'all are counting, and stellos is the direct object. So number 5 says, y'all are counting the stars. In number 6, s means you are, and femina means woman, so you are a woman. In number 7, portat is the third-person singular form of porto, but we don't need the he, she, or it because scapha is the subject. Nautos is the direct object, so number 7 says, the boat is carrying the sailors. In number 8, sunt means they are, and puellai is the predicate, so we do need the word they that's included in sunt. So number 8 says, they are girls. In number 9, amatus means y'all love or y'all like, and silwam is our direct object, and that means forest. Probably love is the best translation for amatus here, so we'll say, y'all love the forest. In number 10, portamos means we are carrying. It's being negated by the word non, and the direct object is aquam. So number 10 says, we are not carrying water.